blanket, blanket,
blanket, blanket.
A thick, warm cover that you sleep under.
She put an extra blanket on the bed.
newspaper, newspaper,
Paper from newspapers.
You'd better wrap that mirror up in newspaper before you put it in the car.
to wash, to wash,
wash, wash,
To clean the plates, pans, and other things that you have used for cooking and eating.
He washed up his mug and put it back on the shelf.
When you wash something or a part of your body.
Those curtains need a wash. Eric needed a good wash after playing in the garden. Police station, police station.
The office of the police in a town or part of a city.
We went to the police station to report the theft.
medicine, medicine,
medicine, medicine,
Medicine, medication, medical, medically.
A substance used to cure an illness or injury.
Cough medicine. Take 2 spoonfuls of medicine at mealtimes. The government appealed for food and medicines after the earthquake. Granddaughter, granddaughter.
The daughter of a person's son or daughter.
I will probably offer it to my daughter or my granddaughter later on. God, God.
In Jewish, Christian, or Muslim belief, the Spirit who created the universe and everything in it.
Do you believe in God?
guy, guy,
A man.
Do you mean the guy with the blonde hair and glasses? Attractive, attractive. Attraction, attract, attractive, unattractive.
Beautiful or pleasant to look at.
An attractive woman.
countryside, countryside,
Countryside, countryside.
Land which is not in towns, cities, or industrial areas and is either used for farming or left in its natural condition.
The countryside around there is lovely. The house is set in 90 acres of beautiful, unspoiled countryside. Every summer thousands of people flock to the countryside.
international, international,
International, internationally.
Relating to or involving 2 or more countries.
International politics. An international team of scientists.
to know, to know,
No. No. Knowledge, unknown, know, known, unknown, knowledgeable, knowingly. New, known.
To be able to do something.
Do you know how to ski? I only know a little Spanish.
To be certain.
I know that she'll be really pleased to hear the news. I don't know whether I should tell her or not.
To tell someone something.
Let me know if you're coming to the party. Necklace. Necklace.
A piece of jewelry that you wear around your neck.
A gold or silver necklace. Finger. Finger.
One of the long thin separate parts of the hand, including your thumb.
He noticed her long delicate fingers. I cut my finger chopping vegetables last night. Second. Second. Secondary, secondly.
One of the 60 parts a minute is divided into.
There are 60 seconds in a minute. These computers process millions of instructions per second. The new system can trace a phone call in a fraction of a second.